Bar 98, Raw Deluxe. Check it out, yo. I'll be the street kid, the brother your mama freak with. Put y'all people on if y'all know how to keep a secret. When I get money, you know I like to keep it. How I get money, others are trying to peep it. Flip mode, be winners you wanna form a team with. The big money figures, the ones that plot the scheme with. The brothers that be used to getting money frequent. The ones I would always measure my triple B's with. Until they start taking my
Right, well, here we are. We have a bit of an experiment going on here. There's a fuel cooler and we have no exhaust. Completely removed for now until that point. Well, we're going to do a ridiculous experiment here and run the car with no exhaust. How indeed. Doesn't sound all that bad considering really there's no exhaust on it and just at the back of the turbo. Oh well, I'll put in some more pipe and a proper exhaust bit for it and there. Homemade exhaust. Replace the center box and the cant. Nice welding. No. Well, half an hour later, I've got the thing on. And you see some after. It's not looking too bad. Really? There you go. Okay. See if it sounds any different. Nope. Doesn't sound any bloody different to standard. We have to complete the next phase of the operation, which is this thing here. TDI Tuscan exhaust. Lovely. Well, I've been busy since this morning. Took a bit longer than I anticipated, but as you saw, the middle and cat seemed to make a big difference, but it didn't. It sounded exactly the same as standard. So I robbed that Tuscan exhaust, put a little down flush on it, obviously because it's a diesel so it needs that, and welded it to the other bit of back box. So it should be something very interesting. Here's the old box, more descriptive. So there we go. Let's have a look at this thing. Now we appear to have a completely straight through exhaust that goes up and over the axle and goes through some dodgy welding into our lovely Tuscan box and then a little downsweep at the end. Oh, one of those jobs that I wish I'd never started. Oh well.